Good morning. This is Dr. B. Shivashankari, Associate Professor, ACE Department, SNS College of Technology. Now I am going to discuss about the case studies on decoders and digital electronics. Decoders are digital ICs which are used for decoding. It converts the binary input at its input to a form which is reflected at its output. It consists of n input lines and 2 power n output lines. A decoder can be used to obtain the required data from the code or can also be used for obtaining the parallel data from the serial data received. Now let us discuss the applications of decoder like binary to decimal decoder, address decoder, instruction decoder and DTMF decoder. The first and foremost coming to binary to decimal decoder. Here decoders are used to get the decimal digit corresponding to a specific input combination. A BCD number needs 4 binary digits to represent the 0 to 9 decimal digits. It consists of 4 input lines and 10 output lines corresponding to 0 to 9 decimal digits. You can see the circuit diagram here. You are having 2 inputs and 4 outputs. Your inputs are A0 and A1 and your outputs are Y0 to Y3. This type of decoder is also called as 1-to-10 decoder. For a specific input combination, the output will be activated corresponding to the decimal equivalent of the input combination. Next, coming to address decoders. A decoder is widely used to decode the particular memory location in the computer memory system. Decoders accept the address code generated by the CPU, which is a combination of address bits for a specific location in the memory. In a memory system, there are several memory ICs combined and each one has their unique address to distinguish from other memory locations. In such cases, a decoder built in the memory IC circuit. In more complex memory system, the memory ICs or chips are arranged in the multiple banks. When the microprocessor wants to access one or more bytes at a time, these banks must be selected simultaneously. So this is the circuit diagram. Here you have 2 inverters, they are binary inputs, and you have a decoder output and 2 input AB and the complement of AB is A bar and B bar. Next, instruction decoders. So another application of decoder can be found in the control unit of the CPU. This decoder is used to decode the program instructions in order to activate the specific control lines such that different operations in the ALU of the CPU are carried out. Next, DTMF decoder. So DTMF is nothing but dual tone multi-frequency. In earlier days, our telephone system were operated by manually in a telephone exchange room. The callers will pick up the phone and giving instruction to the operator to connect their destination line. The DTMF stands for dual tone multi-frequency, which is one of the techniques for converting the analog signal to digital using DTMF decoder. The DTMF decoder circuit mostly used in mobile communication system which recognize the sequence of DTMF tones. Thank you.